Hey everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I wanted to let everybody know that if you have knockout roses, now's the time to get those trimmed up. You want to get out there and trim back your knockout roses. This is the first trimming of the year for your knockouts. We do a couple of trimmings, throughout the summer and late summer, and those are all light trimmings. But this first trimming of the year is a very heavy, very aggressive trimming. This is when you're going to trim it back significantly. You can see behind me here, we've trimmed this one back about half the size that it was, and you're going to go anywhere from half to even up to 2/3 of the size of the plant. So you're going to take quite a bit off of it. This is going to promote new growth in the plant. That new growth is going to produce more buds, produce more blooms. So you're going to have a nicer looking, healthier looking plant if you do this. So you don't want to skip it. Again, now's the time to do that. The goal is to get it done before they bud in the spring. So we've got a couple of weeks, maybe a month before that happens, before they start to produce those buds. So get out there and get it done right now. It's real important. If you have any questions, let us know. Give us a shout. We'll be glad to answer any questions you have or help you any way we can. Thanks.